Okay, once you log into the application, it will show you the default page of the application where we can see all the websites what we already created. Okay, then I'm going to create a new website. Okay, here you can see create new site. Click on that one. It will provide you a variety of templates and steps. Okay, this is the one of the steps you need to either you can follow or you can skip. Okay, this is actually they are asking for the type of application what you are going to create. Okay, so in this case we can avoid, we can skip this one, we can create it later. Okay, or we can give the name it's later. Okay, skip it. Okay, then it will ask for the name of the application, that also we can provide here or we can add it later. Okay, so now I am going to skip this step. Once you've done this one, it will ask for the default template or default pages we want to add to our pages. Okay, so this also we can add it later or we can select here. Okay, this also I am going to skip. Okay, then it will provide you the actual page of the application. This part we need to select which kind of steps or process we need to select. There are two types of uh, application creations are there, like one is begin with a template, the other one is get a custom built site. Using both we can create application, but the difference is that the second one will provide more custom pages and more support to create the websites. Wix itself provide many things to do, we need to follow some steps, that's it. But the first one they will provide some template, that also template wise we can create our own things. We can edit and we can do the things. So I'm going to use this one. Okay, okay, now you can see Wix is providing many templates that we can use for our application. Okay, this is you can see many things like, and also many pages are there, and along with you can see many of the additional functionalities, additional pages. If we want we can add this also. Okay, now what I'm going to do, I am selecting one of the template what I'm going to create. Okay, so I'm just searching tourism. Okay, okay, you can see many tourism websites here, template here. Okay, now I'm going to take this one. Okay, this one, if you mouse over on top of the image, you can see view and edit. Before use you can view and if it is okay for your application you can select, otherwise you can select another one. Now I am going to select this one. Click on edit button. It will take a minute maybe to create the site. Now it is doing page creation for our login, our user. Okay, now our website is created. Okay, this is actually this window is showing whatever the content we want to add or description we want to add, the site name or the details. We can close this one, we can add it later. Now you can see it is showing our website what the template we selected, and it is showing all the that menu items like tools what we can use for the designing of the application. Okay, now if you click here you can see what are the pages they provided. These many pages are there. What are seeing here, everything can be editable. You can, if you mouse over here, it will be like easy to modify the content. Okay, not only content, the button, whatever menu items, everything we can edit. Okay. And also the tool, what tool is providing actually many tool items what we can add to our application, like images, buttons, strip, whatever we want we can add from here. And pages is there, like if you go here, add section, like multiple sections we can add, new pages, menus, like that. Here media, video, everything we can add. Okay, now what I am going to do, I am going to add one image on top of here. Okay, so I need to go to this elements. There is an image here, you can see upload image. This is, you can upload image from your computer itself. Otherwise you can select any of the images from the Wix gallery. Okay, I'm just selecting this one. Okay, now we can paste it here. Okay, okay, now I put this message, this image here on top of the application. Then you can see this content. I'm going to edit this content. Welcome to, I'm just changing to tourism destinations, tourism destinations. Okay, it's changed. Likewise we can edit all the contents, or we can remove the pages and we can add our own pages, like that. Okay, now we edit, we modify one content and we add one image, and you can see there are many menu items here. This also we can modify. Click on top of that one. Then if you want to change anything, double click on that one, it will show manage menu. Okay, then it will show here what all the menu items already there, about, home, about, trail, something like that. If you want to change the name of the one, rename gallery, I change it to gallery. If you click done, you can see here it's also changed gallery. Okay, and if you want to add one more pages, add page. Okay, add page will provide you to add additional pages, like about user, service, project, contacts, like that. I am going to add services. You can add blank page also, and you can design based on your ideas. Okay, now I am selecting services. Services, actually they are providing many designs. I am just adding one of the page. It is adding to our application. Okay, you can see here service already created. Under this there is a one blank, not blank page, our services word, which the page I selected from the Wix platform itself. Okay, this also we can select the select and change the content. Okay, now we added new pages, new menu items, new image, some content modification. Okay, this is a basic things. Likewise you can edit entire application. You can create from scratch itself using the blank pages. Okay, you can remove everything and you can create your own. Okay, now mm, now there are three options, like it's save, preview, and publish. Okay, save, I'm going to save this one. Okay, while saving it will ask for the application name. Okay, what I'm give my my tourism. Okay, this will be the site name. Okay, before that you can see the entire link, like it will come like whichever the email id we are using, Gmail account id, the website name or link will be coming like that. Okay, now save and continue. It is saving our application. Okay, it's done. Now there is an option to publish. Once you publish this application, then only it will be available in internet. Okay, so we are going to publish this application. Okay, now the publishing completed. Okay, now this will be available in internet. Maybe it will take some time to come, maybe sometimes it will come very fastly. Okay, you can check it later. Okay, then there is two options here. You can see desktop view and mobile view. If you click on mobile view, you can design the application for mobile devices. Okay, to check that one, you can see the how the application is. If you click the preview, it will show how the application look like. Okay, now our applications look like here. If you click the home, you can see tourism. This is the one we modified the content. Then all the pages are there, the default pages, most of them. Then the modification we did, the gallery, services, new pages, like that, the image, everything is there. Okay, if you click on mobile view, you can see how it will look like in mobile devices. Everything will be there, the menu, everything will be there. Okay, you can, if you scroll, it will scroll the devices. Okay, how it will look like. Okay, this is the basic method, like how we can create a simple application. Okay, now if you go to our main page, if you go to our my site, you can see all the application you created. Now we can see the tourism site we created. Okay, if you want to edit this one again, just click on this one. It will no, because it's not publishing, not completed, that's why. Otherwise, you can click here and click on application name. It will go to the edit mode again. There is a dashboard. You can see all the details about your application, where you can edit the design. Okay, it is showing, it is loading the you, dashboard. Here we can give many details, like domain details, everything. You can skip that one. Then there is a button edit site, you can edit here. Whatever modification we are doing, once we completed, we need to do the publishing, then only it will be available in the internet. Okay, okay, we now we can edit again whatever the modification we want.